So here is the 65 Fastback. It's just a rolling shell. I put some older steering and suspension on it to make it movable, so whoever buys it could pick it up easily. It rolls, it steers, so it's all good there. I have a clear title in my name. It comes with the parts that you've seen inside of it, and I also have the back glass. I have the door glass there that you saw inside. Pretty much all the interior wraparound pieces, the fiberglass stuff, fold down seat, and that's pretty much it. Some other trims that you can see in there. If you're interested, I'll have my email down below, where you can comment on this. Email is the best way to get a hold of me, but it'll be for sale. I have the price down below also, so if you're interested, just let me know and we'll try and work a deal. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.